to the channel, y'all. In this video, we're gonna be putting the Purple Power up against vehicle and boat, up against the Meguiar's Pro Hybrid Ceramic M27. Now, it done been through 10 car washes already. I haven't applied no more. It's the same application. It went through 10 car washes on the O'Reilly's car wash soap. Now I want to see how many more can it take before it starts to break down. And we're going to be using the Purple Power vehicle and boat. Alright, look at the hydrophobicy of this product after 10 car washes. Watch this. After 10 car washes, the Meguiar's are still going pretty strong, as you guys can see. Alright, so let's hit it with the Purple Power vehicle and boat. No, it's a little windy today, but I ain't gonna let that stop us though, guys. Let's get busy. Alright, round number 1, Purple Power vehicle and boat. It's the M27. Alright, and I think this is the way these stuff should be tested. How many car washes can it get? Alright, now this is number 11. Okay, round number 11. Still there. Round number 11. Still going strong, as you guys can see right there. Alright, let's move on. Round number 12. I continue from yesterday's video. Round number 12. Meguiar's ain't no joke, is it? Alright. It's round number 12. Let's hit it. Here we go. I don't think Meguiar's know how tough this stuff is. Round number 12 now. Alright, it's still going strong. Look at there. Alright, round number 13. Meguiar's ain't no joke. Round number 13. Alright. And this Purple Power vehicle and boat now. So you know that's a script wash, right? Let's hit it. Alright. Round number 13 is still going strong as always. As you can see here, I haven't even put a dent in it. Round number 13. Alright, look at there. It's still beating like crazy. Alright, it's going round 14. Right? Round number 14. That Meguiar's ain't no joke. 14 rounds with no dent in sight. So here we go. Forget what you heard. I'm showing you guys the proof in the pudding right here. 14 rounds car washes. And Meguiar's ain't took a hit too much yet. Look at here. It's still there after 14 car washes. Look at here. Alright, round number 15. Let's hit it. I'm not showing no dent in sight. Round number 15. Okay, let's hit it. No dent in sight. Meguiar's bad now. Y'all see that? Round number 15 is still beating water like crazy. Alright, round number 16. We're going to throw everything at it. Every car wash soap until it's gone. Round number 16 here. Okay, let's hit it. All right. She's still going strong like nothing hit it. Round number 16. We'll let it go right there. Round number 16, still going strong. As you can see, it's still there and took too much of a hit. Round number 17. Round number 17. Hadn't took too much of a hit yet. All right, here we go. I'm gonna knock it out at round number 17. Y'all see it still going strong, so we'll continue with another car wash suit. Y'all see it, still strong.